All right, so we have downloaded the model and now we're ready to create this new blueprint. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click here and new blueprint class. Then we select actor and we need a name. So for this one, be double jump. All right, so here it is. And so for this blueprint, we need two things. First is the banner and second is the logic. So to add a banner or something, we need mesh, which is static mesh, this one. And as I mentioned, you can use any basic shape. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the banner that I have downloaded. So I'm gonna go back to the objects folder. This is the folder where I save everything that we are using. You remember that we have coins here and we also have platforms. Yeah. So next thing will be the banner. Okay, so here it is. Let's check. So we have the banner and then we have the textures. Okay, so let's save all. All right, very good. Now we can go back to this blueprint, double jump blueprint, and select the mesh here. So this is a static mesh banner, just like this. Okay, so as you can see, the model is quite far away from the center, which is fine. I'm just gonna move it a little bit, just like this, and then rotate it, and then okay, so now you can see this is a funny thing that we can only change 10 points. So if you need something smaller, you can go here and then change it to 5, for example, and then you can move it to 5. Okay, and maybe a bit to the side. Oop. Okay, I think that's fine. That's just, you know, just a test. So I think I'm fine with this. If you want, you can rename this. Now let's add a material, because right now you can see it's only the mesh and all we see is white. So now I'm gonna go back and create a material from this base color texture. You can see we have created this material. Now we can go back and select this material in this list. So now we open this. By the way, you can always rotate this ball to take a look at the material. Let's connect normal map to this normal input. So I'm gonna take the texture sample, and then for the texture, I'm gonna select the normal map. Okay, and you can see how the material has changed. For example, if I push Alt and then click here, you can see the difference. Now let's connect them. We also have roughness, so let's do another texture sample. Texture sample, and for this one, I'm gonna choose the roughness. Again, without it, with it. So you can see it makes it more smooth in this case, but depending on the model, it will give you different results. So let's save this one and go back to this blueprint. All right, so now we have this banner with material on it. Very good. Now the next step is what? I want you to answer, because yes, we need this banner and we need logic. So in order to create this logic, what one element are we missing here? What do you think? Yes, you are right. This is collision, because how can we check if player is near this banner. This is the easiest and the simplest way to check it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a collision. I think the box collision should work just fine. Maybe it's too big. It's like this. Let's check. Gonna move it a bit higher. All right. Yeah, I think this should be good. So now we have the collision and the banner. And now we're ready to create the logic.